Top crawl space encapsulation mistake. Most Ninja. Guess what? I don't know what I'm gonna say. Maybe we've got Kara down in or up in Indy. Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Do I need a dehu if my crawl space is encapsulated? Well, Kara in Indianapolis, Indiana asked us that same question, and she was so nice. She even said, I was wondering if you know anyone in the area that you could recommend. Well, unfortunately, Kara, we do not know anyone in the Indianapolis, that I can't even say, Indiana area to recommend. But it is unfortunate that you had your crawl space encapsulated and they overlooked one vital component of the crawl space encapsulation. Wish you guys were up here to check out our work done by another company. We've had the crawl space encapsulated, but they didn't put in a dehumidifier. Humidity levels running 75 to 80% after encapsulation, considering getting the Aprilaire to install it ourselves. Well, of course, Kara, if you want to install the Aprilaire dehumidifier, we've got it available on our DIY store. It is our favorite brand of dehumidifier for many, many reasons. It's very energy efficient, it's quiet, it moves a lot of air. Even the internal parts, the coil and all that is actually made with aluminum, so it's less likely to corrode and have leaks of the coolant out of it like other brands may. So it's a top-notch dehumidifier. But we get that all the time. We have all kinds of crawl space companies that will encapsulate the crawl space without controlling humidity in the crawl space. So this proves the point. Just throwing vapor barrier up, vapor retarder, plastic, whatever you want to call it, just throwing that on the ground and up the walls is not enough. Because if it was, then basements should not have high humidity either. I mean, think about it. If you've got a finished basement, right, you've got to have a dehumidifier in many cases in the basement, even though you've got a finished product like drywall and insulation and all that. Crawl spaces are no different. Just because you throw plastic up on the walls doesn't mean you can miss the most vital part of the whole system, which is the dehumidifier. So thanks, Kara, for sharing that with all of our viewers. And we hope you like this video down below. And my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.